Hello, so today we're going to look at the University of Regina and what they have for their course catalog. So it's under current students, academic resources, and then in here to academic calendars. I would not recommend downloading the full undergraduate calendar, but instead go into sections and then pick the section that you're interested in finding out more based on what you've applied into. So we're going to look at engineering today and the Faculty of Engineering just because it's very, very structured what you have to take in what semesters. They have tons of information that I would recommend looking at if you're especially interested in how it all works or you want to go into great detail. But if you're really just interested in what to take in your varied semesters, your all of the 8 semesters that you're going to be there, unless you do a co-op, in which you'll take more. But science and electronic systems, it basically breaks down each semester and what you have to take. So first semester, chemistry, engineering, math. So this is what you are taking or going to be taking if you are planning on doing an applied science and electronic systems program.